Hey doctor, it's 3 a.m. Or up abi tek kam kar rahi ho. Hi Shani, how are you? Hi yar, there is coronavirus outbreak. Us pi research kar raha. Okay. Keep it up. I am going to sleep. Good night. Okay, good night, sleep well. It's enough, time to sleep now. Hey, good morning Dr. Saab, ready be hogi. Tim doctors be na. Sleep at 3, get ready at 7. Ha 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 ha. It's good, enjoy your day. Sit here, nashta karo. Good morning Shani. Hi yar, it's our routine. By the way, Rod Kansa virus outbreak hua hey? What was you searching at that time? Yeah, I was searching about coronavirus, recently diagnosed in China. Bohat Silug effect hui hey, more than 20,700. With 420 plus deaths. Oh, it's an emergency situation? Yes, World Health Organization declared global health emergency. Doctors are working hard. Almost recovered more than 725 patients. But there isn't accurate treatment or vaccine for prevention. So sad, but how this virus is affecting us? I means, what is coronavirus, how it's affecting humans, symptoms kya hai, and prevention kz karsak t hai. Well, coronavirus ek group hay virus ka, which mostly affect animals, but there are 7 types of coronavirus which affects the humans. The new type of coronavirus diagnosed recently. Specific name Nhidya Abi, so it's called novel coronavirus. And now it's spreading from humans to humans. These makes see humans may transfer hua hey. It's sad. But how it's spreading from one person to other? According to research, it's spread from sneezing or coughing of infected person. Or if anyone have close contact with infected persons. I means shaking hands, ya touch karna. Ya infected object, ya infected surface ko touch karna. Per apni body parts, mouth, nose, eyes ko touch karna, before washing hands. And it can spread through breathing in contaminated air. And can spread through fecal contamination as well. It's so dangerous. And symptoms k hey? Well, symptoms 2 types k hey. Common and severe. Generally when virus enters into the body through mouth or nose, it first finds the host cell and respiratory system. Then the host cell bursts and affect the nearby cells as well. The first and common symptoms are fever, runny nose, sore throats. Within 1 week cause a dry coughs, and mild breathing problems. General body pain, and can cause diarrhea. And if these symptoms left untreated, I means, ye symptoms ignore key. It then leads to severe symptoms. Severe symptoms are high temperature, difficulty in breathing, abnormal liver and kidneys functions, which leads to complications like pneumonia, then severe acute respiratory syndrome. It causes swelling in the lungs, which makes difficulty for lungs to pass oxygen-rich blood. Then there's organ failure, like kidneys failure, respiratory failure, etc. And makes the heart to beats very fast, because there is lack of oxygen and insufficient blood to reach the body parts. The blood pressure becomes low. I means the organ of body didn't perform functions, and when the organ of body did not perform their functions, it caused the death. Mostly the patient dies due to these complications. Oh doctor, it is sad and dangerous. How it can be treated and how can we prevent ourselves? Ah, my dear. But, till now, there is no vaccine for prevention, and not specific treatment. Only the symptoms can be treated. We doctors and scientists are working 24/7 to introduce treatment and kills the virus. But there is some guidelines through which peoples can make their prevention. Even can recover theirself when their symptoms are acute and treated as soon as possible. Yes doctor, please tell me these guidelines for prevention from this deadly virus. Yes, you can prevent yourself. Wash your hands with soap, sanitizer, or antiseptic spray. Avoid touching your mouth, nose and eyes with unwashed hands. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Use covering mask. Avoid close contact with people who are sick or have the above symptoms. If you are non-veg, then eat properly and cooked meat. Avoid uncooked meats. Avoid crowded places and wash your hands regularly. Stay at home when you are sick. And contact doctor if you have any symptoms or illness. These are few preventive measures, If you follow these rules, you can protect yourself from coronavirus. Yes. I will probably follow all these rules. And will share with my family and friends as well. Yes, off hours. Guide your friends and family. Prevention is better because there is no cure. Yes, doctor, thank you so much for your time and information. And sorry for my rude behavior. I just realized, your people are great. My pleasure, it is my job to make you aware. Now it's my duty time, we'll meet you at night, take cares. It's okay, and please take care of yourself as well. Don't worry my dear. Hello viewers, Opsubna video Dikali, hope so, you are now aware about coronavirus, causes, symptoms and measurements of prevention. If you enjoyed the video, please apne family and friends ke saath, share Zarur Kari. Or his channel ko, subscribe Zarur Kari. Thank you for watching.